It's FanRap Late Night Show. Vana zero wafara na hela out ya chilamba.
And then Richiaka Mapungo or Richard Toofab. Wambango Pandam Zimu, I didn't have a beef with any of the artists at Toofab. Get that right.
Yes.
When there was a problem na Toofab yon. You understand? No one has misunderstanding Zanga na manager. Where waba aku manager Toofab by the time. Obana mushumo ra ushuma muhuru blind wori pangero cherede ndojiana maduva nyana uri ndisongo bandiko khereza. I remember ndandikutovo renga na transi, you know, my first car and everything. I didn't mind uri by the time the manager abakuchimbira ngela go ari ndi busy ngazwe kaje guru abe akuita regular zwe kuchimbira nazo ro posta ndisadzuri pitori. I had to go that side kumbera na bulalo, getting the place to sleep, what not. You understand mu waru nenda ndopa muthu nenda ndodzura khaye na zwiḽiwa na
Yes.
and then everything was done, everything went proper. The gig was massive. It was yo blind. And then on that gig ya Toofab, we had to put some artists as well, just to isatova pezi bo roko ro track zasho rapanga bathu bonga bo fili rapanga bathu bonga bo killer G. I remember by the time. And then yaba successful blind idea chelede blind. And then after that, I have to tell the truth today, arembe ngozipele ma. After that, the manager, and then go to Humera Springs, in the side in the Springs is way too far from Pretoria, you know. That much. Then go to Humanamusi because tomorrow go to Jigaraspanin and everything. I was expecting to get something to eat, you know. Something to eat in the combo. Kuchera debo nyana bukori na nende kono wana petrol ndi jigada. Namsi nkisuka nduni boku na girlfriend ya ngandi kisuka sukusuka nduni mbeza na ndo tuwa vege yote. You know, as next time in the quit as also as faces. Then manager wabori nenga chipinga disappoint anga ila ndene ndo zifazori. This is not how things must work. I mean, ongor reza effect ya ori chere de itiwa mara kai chere de ndikumbururi una imwe ine homu na wapa mabele urudori pangela yone next week. Zino kai ndo ifara ndikumburo ndife ba fili so ndife killer G so. Riner dobo na mabana. No, this is not, doesn't make sense. I respect Wafila, I respect Killer G, I respect everybody who who support the show. Mara inisa manager, nito ngamu baby kari ine. Ninga CJay ini no vana panda zliwa na riner kuni tuso panda zliwa zoru zwienduni. Ngama chere ina jaila gaulo na ndikumburo ndivendo pa watu next door, riner dollar next week. It didn't make sense to me. Otia obudza bo fili na Killer G or majita don't pass so much. For now, ndikutiro ndikono kumodita na majitanga ngero nabone vana needs. You understand? Even ino fara hey much mizo ndoni phonera kana killer ndoni phonera next to come na chipanga imwe. He shouldn't have came and tell me that after all the petrol money I put for him to drive my car and go left right center poster the poster what not achipedza hapo ndikoti yo sacrifice ra mizo. It didn't make sense. I don't care uri how small we were by the time or what not. Mara bakomzero bana mwana bone batiyotuma mika shoro mwana obutumbi ofura bakuno
kamwe.
Kana namsi bato divide abari ofara so and then ndikono mwatela na abalani at least kuno push ndo banda ubona. You understand? That was my real problem whereby ndozi for no ndokakera Toofab ngamramsi ndisangothoma ndazo negotiate na Toofab dondo kono fonera fees ndamba nazo ndamba na fees ngazo mara mistake when ndau itai ndiwa urindo andakwita Toofab ndisokuthoma ndabudza fees uri this is the issue, this is what's going on, I'm not happy with this. You understand what I'm trying to say? Ndomo difunga pinda kono vandu kwambora no, you know what guys, ndido vandu ndisichava party ya Toofab from now on. Because this is, we're not gonna really nena msafirita million amunanga mudiri ukupa 500,000 ukupa 800,000 bakwebo
late.
So I didn't like that. That was the main big reason why I quitted Toofab. The other one was just that, and then Fizzy is a good leader musically. Wakono director batu, you can what kono not disturb him. You need to make a single repusher it mini. So to me, Fizzy is one of the best leaders musically Kaven rap. So I didn't have a problem with him. Don't even get that wrong. And this is an end of for let me step out. That's when I'm gonna start to do my own things. That's why after Toofab I was still working with the guys.
Okay, cool. I think lo fara mara comments dziko ndiko dzivona ngange kha Facebook dziko dzikuri na manager wone ndi nnyi ngori kanji hafha noni ri amba na madzina ari shavi something no zwi amba ri tshelede yo fhiwa mizo so vha khou vhusa uri na uyo manager ndi nnyi ngori u khou tea u number 4 la
manager asongo dzindeliwa. He's a busy man these days and Siga Israel Mureri, you know. It's the past, like I said, it's the past. I believe we're naye by the time vatu varumburufana by the time anga comes naye over asikuumbura zvavudi and stuff like that, you know. Ana zvimwe mumumburoni kana mumburo was kusvika ka stage chine muthu wapfori, these are the priorities, you know, and this can come next. So yeah, let's get it.
Okay, cool. I think elopo ngo vhathu vanji vana mbudziso nga maanḓa maybe a vha ngo kona u swikelela he vha wana interview yanu ya muraho he na vha ni khou ḓi ṱalutshedza heḽo fhungo ndi khou dzi vhona mbudziso hafhaḽa dzi khou sumbedzisa uri ndi nnyi mara o fhindula a ri vhone arali kha Facebook na muthu ene a khou commenta kha haya mafhungo vhathu vha khou tou amba uri hai ndi zwone ambeni ya mafhungo zwi ṱoḓa a khou ambiwa. Okay, cool. So ari fhirele phanḓa I think ri sathu fhirela phanḓa maybe ri nga thoma writer so
It's FanRap Late Night Show. Vana zero wafara na hela out ya chilamba.